Alyssum is a genus of about 100 to 170 species of flowering plants in the family of Brassicaceae, native to Europe, Asia, and northern Africa, with the highest species diversity in the Mediterranean region. Sweet Alyssum is a type of annual that flowers for months, even through the winter in milder climates. A member of the mustard family, Sweet Alyssum is quite fragrant. Sweet Alyssum has four white petaled flowers. They are horticultural forms with lavender, pink, or purple flowers. The narrow gray-green leaves are untoothed and usually bear many silvery hairs. The flowering stalks rise to 1 foot with the small round seed pods, known as silicles, developing on the stems below the flower heads. Sweet Alyssum grows best in full sun and in cool weather, but it will tolerate partial shade. The plants will survive light frost too. Sweet Alyssum is traditionally used for edging beds, borders, and as an annual ground cover. Sweet Alyssum will reseed vigorously. It also makes an excellent companion plant in the garden and attracts many beneficials to the garden. Sweet Alyssum makes a great companion plant for any aphid-prone crop, including lettuce, roses, fruit trees, and others. The tiny flowers attract tiny parasitic wasps that use the aphids feasting on the lettuce to house and feed their developing young, leading to a dramatic reduction in aphid numbers. The sweet-smelling flowers have a honey-like fragrance and are very attractive to bees, flower flies, stingless wasps, and butterflies. In Spain, alyssum is used as an astringent for treating gonorrhea. It's also used to treat colds, abdominal pain, and coughs. It is used for the treatment of rabies and many others.